Hey everybody, it's Megan. As always, I hope all of you are doing well. I am very excited, to say the least, about what I am about to show you. As the title states, I'm going to be going over what I received for my birthday from Las Vegas. I filmed a shopping vlog there, and my apologies, my birthday was actually July 23rd. I have had a lot of stuff going on, but you guys, you know what? If you do follow me, you know that I have this rule that I cannot use my items until I unbox them with you. So it's been a little bit of time since I've actually received them, but I am very, very antsy to use these items. Yes, I am. I really just need to film this so I can actually enjoy these items. Before I get into it, in case you have not joined my YouTube luxury community, I kindly invite you to do so by clicking on that subscribe button you see located right down there below on your screen, and also by clicking the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. So I gotta let you guys know this. In my last video, I showed you my entire Louis Vuitton bag collection. And it's just really important for me to reiterate what I said in that video when it comes to what I have and how I want to be picky going forward. Because if you did see that video, you would know, I humbly say, I own quite a few Louis Vuitton bags, and I want to be able to use them. I want to be able to enjoy them. So I was definitely pretty picky when it came to choosing my birthday gifts. Now, I did film a shopping vlog while I was there, and I'll go ahead and show you the footage right now. But I want to thank everybody on Instagram who gave me your opinions on the different bags that I was showing you. I think when I show you what I actually did get, you're going to be a little bit surprised, to say the least. But let me go ahead and show you that vlog. I'm going to start out by showing you the bags that I chose to bring with me. Here is my, from the collection, Spring in the City. Keep All 45 in the Sunset Pastel. You guys, this is literally, I think, the best bag in my collection, best piece in my collection. And there you see my on-the-go GM. And I mentioned in a previous video that I really just don't find this to be the best everyday bag because it's so big, but I really find it to be the very best travel bag, that's for sure. Great bags to carry. So we stayed at the Cosmopolitan. I wanted to share this footage because I thought some of you may be interested in staying here because it really is the only hotel in Las Vegas that offers a balcony. And as you can see, we had a fountain view of the Bellagio, and there you see Louis Vuitton. And I thought to myself, I need to get over there. So I did. And right upon walking into the store, I was really drawn to this specific bag. I do believe it's called the Just In Case bag that you see right there. I thought this was going to be the bag for me, but unfortunately, like I said, I have to be picky with my bags, and it just did not fit what I need to carry, which is going to be my phone and my mini pochettes. Both items just did not fit inside, which was a bummer. And I did end up finding a bag that I was really interested in, trying on the camera box bag. This was gorgeous. This was stunning. But again, it went back to what fits inside, and unfortunately, a packed mini pochette is going to take up the entire bag. So that was kind of off the table for me. And then I was really drawn to the on-the-go BB. I do have it in the on-the-go GM size, the biggest size, and I've always found the other sizes to be pretty cute. And yeah, because of the fact that it's small and adorable, I was really drawn to it. As you guys can see, it does have a strap, a monogram strap, and on the other side, the flip side of it is reverse. Very, very cute. Tried it on and was very, very tempted by this one, you guys. I must say, I really, really like this one a lot. I then decided to go ahead and try on this canoe bag. Very, very cute. But as a lot of you guys know that did watch my last video, it is very similar to a lot of the other bags that are in my collection of Louis Vuitton. So I made my way over to the Coussin bags. I've been very tempted by that black version. Yes, I have. They had a few other ones, including that yellow that you see right there. And some of you know that I do have the cream version, which is very, very pretty. I asked them to pull out this navy version, and what I really, really liked about this one was the fact that it came with a silver chain, which is, as you know, different from the typical gold chain. If you are familiar with the Coussin bags, you know that those chains are very, very sparkly. Here it is in the BB size, which is going to be smaller. Very, very tempted by this one. I really like the fact that it comes with the leather strap, which is very adjustable, by the way. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know the PM comes with the jacquard, but I love it for the size. I then saw this bag. I wanted to point it out because I found it to be beautiful and I'd really like it for the winter. Yes, I would. And then I finally stopped where the jewelry is and took a look and did find something that I really, really liked. And at the end of the day, I had these bags to bring home with me, which, as you guys know, when you're on vacation, you bring this home with you, you know it was a good trip. I think you could tell that was definitely a lot of fun. And again, thank you so much to everybody on Instagram who gave me your opinions on different bags when I showed you them. And I'll reiterate what I said at the beginning of this video. You're going to be a little bit, no, you're going to be a lot. You're going to be very shocked at what I actually chose because like I said, I am being very, very picky when it comes to the bags that I purchase because I want to actually use my bags and not just have them sit on a shelf. It's hard to use my entire collection as it is. So the bags that I choose, I really just want to feel really, really over the moon about. And I'll just let you know this, I chose 3 items and I'll save the best for last. And that one that I chose, that bag that I chose is definitely one that was just over the top, amazing, what I would consider to be my dream bag. And I really would just go as far as to say that this is going to be the best in my collection. Oh my goodness, that is saying so much, but I really do mean it. And wait until you see what I'm talking about because you will definitely understand. The first one I'm going to show you comes in this box, and I really think you're going to, well, actually, you know what? There's 2 that come in small boxes, but I really think you're going to want both of these once you see them because like I said, I was very, very picky when I was in there, and these really just were so striking to me. The first one comes in this little dust bag, and I'm not too sure really which one this is, but it doesn't matter because I really love them equally. But let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. I want to say this is from a new collection. I had never seen it before. It's so very beautiful. It is a necklace from Louis Vuitton, and I do believe it is called the Lady LV necklace. This one is truly just a stunner. It's a layered necklace, as you can see. When I saw it in the store, it was sparkling so beautifully, and what really drew me to it actually is the fact that I have the matching earrings, and I got them out before I filmed this video, so I'll go ahead and show them really quick to you guys. Love these. So I want to believe that this necklace is actually from the new collection because these earrings and they're so shiny. So let me go ahead and quickly try on this gorgeous necklace. My gosh, you guys, you even know I've been waiting to use this thing, and now I actually can because I'm filming this with you. Yay. So let me go ahead and try this on. I went ahead and put it on the longest setting. It is so pretty. I'm just really loving the layered look. And I really have to emphasize, you guys, you know what? If you are interested in this necklace, I would highly recommend getting these earrings because look how beautiful these earrings are with the necklace, because as you guys can see, this necklace is quite noticeable. If you're like me, you know, you probably don't want to wear gaudy earrings, and these are just perfect to match with this necklace. Very, very cute set, I must say. I'll show you again. Hopefully you'll be able to see. This is extremely, and I do mean extremely, shiny. Necklace is going to be the same exact way. Absolutely beautiful. So that's going to lead me into the next unboxing. Yeah, I saw this and I thought to myself, it's so pretty. Let me try it on. I tried it on and I was thoroughly impressed. And it definitely made my birthday that much better, as you guys can imagine. So let me go ahead and show you this beautiful Lady LV bracelet. I'm really appreciating the details when it comes to not only the necklace, but this bracelet as well. You can see right here the little LV circle, and it's just so pretty. Again, you guys, how this just shines so brightly, so beautifully. And I'm such a fan because I wouldn't want to be a huge, gigantic LV icon that's shining so brightly. I like the fact that it's smaller. So let me go ahead and try this on. This is just absolutely stunning. I love how it just hangs on your hand as you wear it. Very, very pretty and very, very delicate on the wrist. I'm a big fan of dainty, and I'm also just a big fan of items that just don't stand out too much. But what's so great about this bracelet, the necklace, and the earrings, like I said, they shine so brilliantly, but they're very, very dainty. And I just realized it just kind of hangs on your hand, which I think is very, very cute. Very, very different, very, very unique. Love the fact that it's very dainty. Love the fact that it showcases itself in a very classy way without being too loud and gaudy, if that makes sense. I think it does. So loving this bracelet, loving this necklace. Highly recommend each of them. So now I'm going to get into the grand finale. Oh my goodness, I'm very, very excited. This literally is my dream bag, and it comes in this box. Here I have the dust bag. Like I said, you guys are going to be a little bit shocked, very shocked actually, once you see what's inside. And again, this is definitely going to be my dream bag. When I saw it, it just stood out so beautifully, and I actually had a different version of it on my mind, but this one just blew me away, and I'm so glad that this one was released when it was released. Are you guys ready? Here we go. It is Ooh, she's looking through. She wants to say hi. So pretty. My goodness, you guys. I really wanted the black version of this, but I'm so glad that I waited. So pretty. This is the Coussin PM, and this is from the new collection. Absolutely gorgeous black color. And when I saw this in the store, a lot of you guys know I do have the Coussin PM in cream color. I will go ahead and show you that in just a moment. But the reason this one appealed to me so much is I love the Coussin PM, but I really wanted to get another version of it that was completely opposite of the cream version, and this definitely was that. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it does have a shimmer that goes on within the LV logos. Let's just put it this way. If you were to see it in the store, and I wish I had gotten some vlog footage of it, but it shines so beautifully in evening type light. And if you have been to a Louis Vuitton store, you know what I mean. The lighting in that store really does show the bag in the best way. So this is definitely going to be such a beautiful and gorgeous evening bag. As a lot of you guys know, the Coussin PM does come with a jacquard strap. The interior of this bag, I was very impressed, is going to be a deep olive green color that I think is absolutely gorgeous. So it comes with the black strap, and the bag is just absolutely beautiful. Let me show this to you with the strap. So pretty. Now I want to go ahead and show you this version that I have. You guys can tell they are very different. And I think a lot of you guys know I have a tendency to do this. When I own a specific bag, I have a tendency to get another version of it. Yes, I do. And they actually had a Coussin BB bag online that I had seen, but it was completely sold out in stores. But I am interested in the future in the Coussin BB. I like the fact that it comes with a leather strap. That's definitely appealing. But I really like, for this size, the jacquard strap. I really just like the edginess of it. I find it to be very beautiful. So again, as you guys can tell, these bags are completely opposite. I pretty much figure this is going to be my Coussin for the summer, and this will be my Coussin for the winter. So this is just a gorgeous bag. Love the fact that it features the gorgeous lambskin leather. And you know, I've used this one for quite some time, and as you guys can see, the wear and tear is pretty amazing. It's just not really even showing any wear and tear. And a scream, as you can see. And that's just a matter of keeping a watchful eye on it, really. I don't baby my bags in any way. I just really keep a watchful eye. That really just makes all the difference in the world when it comes to taking care of your bags. So I'm very happy that I now have this gorgeous Coussin PM added to my collection. I cannot wait to use her. And I'm very happy that I unboxed it with you, because now, like I said, I'll be able to use these items. I really do enjoy sharing what I get with you before I actually use my items, just because, I don't know, it just adds some excitement to it for whatever reason. It really does. I like to share my experiences, that's for sure. So that's going to be it for my Louis Vuitton birthday unboxing haul. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the items that I went over, again, if you're interested in any of the items that I did receive, they are linked within the description box below. Please do leave any comments or questions as well in the comment section below. I think a lot of you guys know by now, I always love hearing from you. Okay, so now's the time for the video where I'm going to, as I typically do, change topics from speaking about luxury to something that's more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. I've mentioned in previous videos that I recently started another YouTube channel that focuses on elaborated versions of these messages. If you're interested in checking that out, the channel name is MEGS Mission. I have it linked within the description box below. I would definitely love to see you over there. So for today's video, I decided to go over a topic that I felt was very needed. I actually prayed on it before I made this video, and I felt very compelled to go over this topic. By God, yes, I did. And the title of this message is going to be The True Key to Happiness. I think it's safe to say that all of us want to live a very happy life. I think it's safe to say all of us deserve to live a very happy life. But throughout life, there are going to come distractions. Throughout life, there are going to be negative situations that we cannot control, negative situations maybe we do have some control over, that really can try to steal our peace. And anything that steals our peace is going to be something that makes us unhappy, obviously. So from my experience, I have truly come to learn that if you want to be happy every single day, the key to that is understanding that Jesus, God, Holy Spirit is going to be the only way to achieve that. And the reason is quite simple. Within God, there is no negativity. There is no fear. There is no worry. There is no stress. There is no anxiety. Within Him, there is only light, peace, happiness, and joy. And I can definitely say and attest to the fact that from my own personal experience, I have truly found that I am able to live each and every day very happy, because I have a peace in me that surpasses all understanding. But I really wouldn't have it if I didn't seek after God. That is the key, seeking after him. He doesn't want us to feel fearful, nor does he want us to feel anxious. When you think about it, those things definitely don't come from God, and that's why he doesn't want us to experience those emotions. The enemy can tempt us to believe, the world can tempt us to believe, that happiness can be found in social status, what we own, what we wear, what we have, what we look like. The truth is that is not where happiness is found. If we think that is where happiness is found, we're going to end up feeling very, very empty inside. Although God wants his children to enjoy their lives while on earth, of course he does, he also wants us to keep him number one. That is going to be key. And it's interesting too, because yes, my channel does focus on luxury, but it's important to keep items, materialistic possessions in the right perspective. Because it can be very easy to fall into a trap of almost loving items too much. And we don't want to love items too much. We can appreciate items. We can enjoy them while we're here, sure. But we always need to keep God number one in our lives. I have found in my own life that by doing this, I have a peace, I have a happiness every single day. And it doesn't matter what the enemy tries to throw at me. It really doesn't. It doesn't matter what kind of situation I'm going through. It doesn't matter what kind of person is being rude to me. It doesn't affect me because I know that my Creator, my Heavenly Father, is protecting me at all times. So the key to happiness is going to be quite simple, and that is going to be keeping God number one in your life. And please do remember to have grace with yourself when it comes to this topic, because we are human beings and God understands that we're human beings and he understands how hard it is for us. But give yourself credit. I mean, here you are, you're listening to me talk right now. A lot of people could just watch the unboxing part of this video and not watch the inspiration part. That shows you have a heart after God, and that really does show a lot about your soul. And it's always good to make God proud, and right now you're definitely making God proud. Right now you're definitely closer to God than you were when you first started watching this video, and that's an absolute beautiful thing. And here's a little challenge for you to understand what I'm talking about when it comes to the happiness that you feel by keeping God number one. Right now, if you could just take a moment and focus on him and only him, how does that make you feel? If you just literally just take a moment and connect with his spirit and feel him, literally feel him, how does that make you feel in your spirit? It's a peace. It's a peace that surpasses all understanding. It's a happiness. And I've said before, peace equals happiness. So just remember that life is going to be full of ups and downs, downs and ups. But at the end of the day, God is very, very smooth sailing, and he will always get us through any type of storm. He is with you at your side at all times. No matter what happens in your life, he is with you. And because of that fact, you are so very blessed. Please hold on to that. So that is what I have to say on the topic of the key to true happiness. If you happen to have any comments or questions on that topic, and or any comments or questions, my goodness, they are different topics. Yes, they are. What I received for my birthday, the beautiful necklace, I do believe it was the Lady LV necklace, the Lady LV bracelet, as well as that gorgeous Coussin PM from the new collection. Not sure what it's called, but I'll definitely link it with the description box below. I always love hearing from you guys. I'm looking forward to the next video. If you did make it to the end of this one, of course, I greatly thank you. Until my next, looking forward to it. You guys take care, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.